When you're in a spreadsheet, click on the Gemini icon on the top right of the screen. Click on Enter a Prompt, and let's try one of the new features by asking, add dropdowns in column G for level 1 through 4. Hit Enter. It says a dropdown menu will be added to the range G2 to 51 with the following options, levels 1 through 4. Hit Apply, and there are my dropdowns. That one was the simplest thing I'm going to show you this video. Next, we're going to have Gemini help with conditional formatting. I want to find out who my top paid engineers are, so I'm going to say, highlight any engineering department salaries over 120K. It tells me that conditional formatting is going to be applied. It shows me the rule that it's going to use. I hit apply. And if I scroll through this column now, you can see any that are over 120K that are also in the engineering department have been highlighted green. And just to prove it has done this properly, if I change one of the marketing salaries to 130,000, that won't get highlighted because they're not in the engineering department. Gemini can now also sort data for you. So I could say sort by level, high to low. It tells me that the whole table range is going to be sorted based on the values in column G. I click apply. There we go. Everything is now sorted. Level 4s at the top through to level 1s at the bottom. I still worry that I'm paying my engineers too much. So imagine on the right hand side here that I want to create a list of my higher paid engineers. I don't know how to write a formula to do that. So I'm going to write a prompt down here to get Gemini to do it. Write a formula to make a list of engineers earning over 120K. All right, it's given me the list here. I can click insert and it's going to insert it at the cell I got highlighted. And let's check it works by changing one of the engineers' salaries here to 130,000. And we see that they also get added to that list on the right. And Gemini can now even create pivot tables. I want to understand what the average salary is per department. So I'm going to type in, make a pivot table to show average salaries by department. I hit enter. Gemini says it's going to create a pivot table. It tells me the data it's going to use. I click apply. It's going to create a new sheet to put that pivot table in here. And you can see there's my average salaries. This is a game changer if you are scared of using sheets or don't know how to write formulas, but let me show you one more thing. If I go back to the sheet with my main table on it, I'm going to right click somewhere in this table and choose Analyze with Gemini. And if you need to get insights to send to your boss from data in a spreadsheet, just get Gemini to do it like this. Let's take a look. It's looked at the department distribution and salary. It tells me the number of employees is evenly distributed across the 4 departments. Engineering has the highest average salaries. It tells me about the level distribution as well. And even hiring trends, the months with the highest number of hires are February and March. It's looked at the dates there as well. So you can save hours when it comes to analyzing data. Don't forget, if you want an immediately actionable Google Workspace tip to your inbox every Wednesday for free, sign up to Workspace Boost. The link is in the description. And if you've made it this far, you'll probably also like my video about using Notebook LM for work projects. You can check it out here.